Welcome to the info with me OPPO Find X5 Lite, and I'll show you how to activate quick launch on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the special features. After that you'll see here a quick launch section. Tap here once and then click here on the switcher. Just to activate the quick launch we should add the fingerprint, so click here to add. Tap to OK, and now we should just press our sensor with the finger and move it just to set the fingerprint unlock method. Okay, then tap here to done, and now we can see that the quick launch successfully activated. Now we can see here the currently menu of our quick launch. So just to use quick launch on our OPPO device we should lock the smartphone, and here by press and hold the sensor we should just move our finger to the left, to the right side for example, and now for example we can activate the Facebook or Google Assistant or the music, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.